Hello. So, to install Deadpool Graphics Mod, you are gonna need this exe. You're gonna double click on that and press yes, and then you're gonna have this splash screen. After that, click on next and agree. Then choose your Deadpool folder from games or whatever folder you have saved it. Then you're just gonna have to choose the Deadpool directory like this and press next and install. Now I have installed my graphics mod already, so I do not need to, but I'll show you how it is done anyway, and then you press finish. So that's it. That's how you're gonna install graphics mod. Now, some of you might need skin mods for this game. If you want to install skin mods, you're gonna have to download a skin mod, and you'll find a TPF like this. All you need to do is go to your game folder, which is Deadpool binaries, and here you will just drag it like this. I have dragged it. I have a TPF, and to use this skin mod, I'm just going to open up text mod. You'll download it from literally any site, and you select dp.exe. You are going to choose this TPF from your folder and press run, and that's how you're going to open it with your text mod. That's it.